3 magpies in that tree. One went that away. 2 went that away. There's another one. Thanks for showing me that, mate. There's 2 magpies in that tree up there. Quite hard to see, but it's interesting that the chick followed him away. I don't even have a theory yet. I've just got the possibility that male chicks hang out with the male parent and females hang out with the female. Oh, there's 3 in that tree and 1 at my feet. How about that? They haven't come for bales yet. Maybe there's 1 of each. That's got to be mama. The chicks don't know me yet. Hey little lady, well done you two. I'm very pleased. 2, I thought there might be 1, but you have been collecting a lot of food. Whoa, Blue-face. And he's got a big cricket. Like that one that was on my neck the other day. No? Hang on. Yep. I reckon I can ID that from the antennae. Exciting times. 2 chicks. It's going to be a noisy season. Oh. Blue-face is annoyed. There he goes. Well, happy day. Happy day. As usual, I have work to do. Good work, lady. Your first brood. I shall leave you all to it. I just felt something crawling on my neck, and it was a giant cricket, which is taking to the nest. Slightly unpleasant surprise, but these things happen.